Welcome back to Frugal Range, and today we're doing a little taste test with some little items that, my nieces and we picked up at Dave's supermarket. But, it's time to eat. Andrea, are you ready to eat?
Let's go.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, okay, whatever. Okay, let's go eat. What are you doing? We're trying to do a video here.
I know. I wanted to sample it before you guys tried.
I thought you asked me to do this. I know, but you fell asleep.
So which one is this one? This is the...
That is spinach and crab spread, and that is going to be right.
Well, that looks nice. I like that one. And we have the ham salad, and that one is this one, right? Which one do you want to start with first, Andrea?
Let's start with the salad.
Oh, okay.
So on top of the lettuce or top of the salad, where you're going to be using the cranberry and pear white balsamic vinegar.
Okay, this is what we have here, the olive mint.
Tastes like candy.
It's good, huh?
Yeah. Super refreshing.
So which one did you want to start first with in terms of the spreads that we picked up from Dave's?
I'd like to start with the spinach and crab spread.
I like that. That's good.
You know what I just realized?
What?
There's a hint of water chestnut in there.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's really good.
So let's go ahead and I'll pick the next one. I'm going to pick the ham salad. And that's this one here, right?
Yes, that's the ham salad.
Yeah, let me try that with...
I'll do that one with bread this time.
It's good. I get that lot of smoke on it, huh?
Mm-hmm. Definitely. I like that one a lot.
That's good. And then what's the next one?
Let's do the cheese crab spread. It's just like this one, but instead this one doesn't have spinach, but it has cheese. That's my favorite. Super tasty.
That is super tasty. I didn't give me a little bit more of that. That's really good. I like that.
Either crackers or chips. Good Super Bowl side dish.
Yeah, definitely. That is definitely... So, wait a minute. I gotta keep chewing this because I just want to make it last longer in my mouth. Nice choice from you and Samantha. And then we have one left, right?
Yep, one left. That is going to be the sandwich spread.
And you can tell the difference because...
The ham salad is a little lighter, while the sandwich spread has a little bit more pink color to it.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my God.
It's so good.
That is so good. That is worth driving across the country for.
You gotta love small town living.
They're all good? Yeah, they're all good, right?
Yeah, they're all good.
But this is like...
What you could drive across the country for.
Yeah. If you haven't had the sandwich spread at Dave's, oh, definitely give it a try.
I go check it out.
Yeah, take a piece of bread, like this thick, and then pour the entire container in. Well, thank you very much, Andrea, for stopping by. Thank you for being here on Frugal Range.
Thank you, Uncle Ivan.
Until next time, I hope you guys enjoy your July holiday. Hope to see you guys soon. I hope you come back.
Turkeys.
Yeah, turkey? I don't know.
Oh yeah,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, please don't post this anyway.
There you go. Put this in the bloopers, Uncle Ivan.